Minecraft's biggest update ever? Let's find out. Minecraft has so many new things to come. First, the sulfur caves. These caves have a completely different look compared to normal ones. They're more yellowish, kind of toxic looking, and stand out a lot when you find them underground. Inside these caves, you'll find the new sulfur blocks. These are mainly for building, but they have a really unique texture and color, so they're perfect if you want something different from the usual stone or deep state builds. Now, the sulfur cubes are where it gets interesting. They're not just normal blocks, they have their own behavior, making them feel more alive compared to regular blocks. They add more interaction instead of just being something you place and forget. And then, there's the dungeon type structures. Basically a new kind of challenge area underground. These are more intense than normal caves, with better loot and more danger, so it actually gives you a reason to explore deeper. And this is the Minecraft Dungeons.